welcome back to the channel. Yeah, man. Early bird gets the worm. You know, you got me some breakfast. Get this day started. You know, I'm gonna let that griddle cool off a little bit. It's fresh, hot and fresh. You know, get this day started. You know, and I did say in my last video, I say, let me go back and shower. I said, so I can be up in a little bit. Went to sleep about 1 something this morning. Right back up. Was right back up a little bit after 5. You know, it's all good though, you know, cause like I said, early bird gets the worm. Oh, they still put that van out that they got hit with that smash and grab last August. They put them poles up, but they put that van right there too. I would have said put poles up all the way around. Motherfuckers come in through the side. You know, these alcoholic crash outs. These crash outs gonna find a way in. But yeah, so just getting this day started. You know. My days get started early anyway. Now yesterday he did scare the hell out of me because I woke up late yesterday. But I still got things done. You know, so it's just a whole thing of, you know, you gotta get it done. Driving slow as hell, then you sped up as soon as we got closer to the hill. It's okay though, all I gotta do is wait for the light to be, wait for the intersection to be clear. Got this car and another car and it's clear. Now I'm probably like, oh, with the police behind me. I'm not even the law-breaking police, yup, it's clear. Now I'm right back behind you again and follow. They're driving slow as hell now. All the other cars is up there at the light. They ain't just getting close enough. So your purpose was your business, not mine. But yeah, so goodness, they going. Around you because you sneaky like that. And then you park at stop signs. You're not keeping up with traffic. You park at stop signs. Pull a sneaky move. Wait until the light does change and get somebody from behind and you speed up. But yeah, so think about going on a camping trip with the fellas this Friday too. On Saturday and one of the days, we can go out somewhere. I ain't never been camping before. It'll be my first time camping. It'll be something cool though. You might as well take it. You was about to take it. And it's clear as day. But yeah, definitely think about going camping with the fellas. that'll say it'll be my first time. It'll be all good. Hey man, I should just stay in Indiana. Cause I'm always heading to Indiana now. That's exactly where I'm going right now, to Indiana. Indiana, however y'all want to call it. Okay, what y'all stopping for when it's clear as hell? Fuck is you stay looking in the mirror for? Little woman in this Arcadia is just steady staring in the mirror. Stop staring in the mirror and drive, woman. Yeah, but I'm always crossing the border hopper. Wait, is she a cracking one? That definitely feel like cracking glass. But yeah, so getting on this road. Where a lot of my miles be coming from. Being on the road. Oh, that's one of the planes that left that thing. I thought that was a rainbow at first. I was gonna say cool, early morning rainbow. She gonna speed up though? Right. Let's say you now finna speed up. Get back over. And then you get back over and then hold up the car behind you. But yeah, man, I'm gonna do my oil change in a little while. AutoZone gonna open like 7, 8 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead and do the oil change before the rain comes. Be straight. Yeah, you can't use Campanini. You ain't keeping up with the flow of traffic. Ain't you know that? I'll catch y'all in the next video.